CME Group partnering with FanDuel to launch a new way of betting on financial markets for as little as $1 a contract. Customers in America will be able to place yes or no wagers on market-related events from specific price levels in the S&P to economic indicators like the inflation rate and GDP and more. Joining us now for an exclusive conversation on this is CME Group CEO and Chairman Terry Duffy. Terry, do not worry. I will not ask you about the Cracker Barrel logo change, but I will ask you about what some call the gamification of markets. Why this move? Why FanDuel? Why now?
Well, Sally, thanks for having me on. I appreciate it very much. Why this move? Why now? I mean, I think the world is evolving. You've seen CME move more into the retail trade over the last several years. I've said to many of times to some of the panelists on your show tonight that I think retail is going to continue to grow. And for us to have a partner like FanDuel and be able to have 14 million accounts on day one, to have the ability to participate in CME's markets at their comfort level is really important, not only, I think, to CME, but to the financial services industry as a whole. We want to have educated people in our marketplace. This is a great way for them to do it. We are going to offer these auction-style markets throughout the day, probably 3, 4 a day in different asset classes. We have such massive benefits to do so with FanDuel because we have our intellectual property products that nobody else has. And then we also have the biggest, deepest pools of liquidity from our market makers to create this. So we think it's a great way to move forward with FanDuel. I want to thank my friend and partner, Peter Jackson and Amy Howe. They did an amazing job of seeing through how this potential JV is going to be something very exciting for them. It's not a cannibalization play. I'm not becoming a casino, contrary to popular opinion. I didn't buy a casino. These are markets that will be offered to the general public, and we think is massively exciting of what it could do.
So just to be clear then, Terry, and for the audience listening, saying what exactly is happening here, now we can bet on where certain things may come in. So if I want to bet that the unemployment rate is going to be 4.1%, I could bet on that, or do I bet it'll be above or below 4.1?
That's exactly what it is. It'll be set. And mostly, Brian, it will be on specific products that I outlined a moment ago, whether it's gold or anything else. So you'll set a price at a certain time, and then you'll have a window of opportunity to say, I believe it'll be above or below that, yes or no. You could bet as little as $1 or bet a lot more than that. And you can, I say bet, you can trade to do that, and you get paid based on whether you're correct or not, where that price closed at that moment in time.